How to repost posts and reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, scroll down to the post that you want to repost. You will then see the repost button below the post. Tap on that and with this, the post will be reposted. Similarly, go ahead and open the reel that you want to repost and then tap on the repost option on the right side of your screen, and with this, the reel will be reposted too. And if you want to view the posts and the reels that you have reposted, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the Repost tab. Tap on that and you will be able to view all the reels and posts that you have reposted. So this is how you can repost posts and reels on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.